Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Morant Bay Urban Center. And this is the mega development happening in St. Thomas. Now this development has done so well that they are going to do a phase 2 of the project. So you see all that land behind the urban center? Factory Corporations of Jamaica has acquired that land and they're going to use it to do phase 2 of the urban center. All that land you're looking straight at. We're going to fly over there and give you a better look. So this urban center is fully booked out. The one that's under construction, or the section I should say that's under construction. It's to finish in December of this year, December 2024. And work is moving very quickly on it, I must say. So the demand for space at this location far exceeded the 436,000 square feet that was being built out. So seeing the demand for the space, the Factories Corporation of Jamaica acquired 10 acres right beside it or behind it, behind the current urban center, and they're going to expand the urban center to include, they're going to build it out in phase 2. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. The Factories Corporation of Jamaica says it has had to acquire additional land to facilitate more commercial space at the Morant Bay Urban Center in St. Thomas. Managing Director of the FCJ says the demand for space has been exponential. At this moment, we have over 150% demand for the space here. That's over 70 potential clients. So the issue of demand is so high that we have purchased an additional 10 acres next door, which we expect to do phase 2. So at this point, the issue is really not clients. He said the board of SCJ has also decided to designate 20% of the 436,000 square feet center for businesses indigenous to St. Thomas. Okay, so that's the plans that they have for this additional space, which is really good because you have to love the progress that's going on. And you have a lot of companies that never had locations or never did business in St. Thomas coming to the urban center. KFC, Burger King, Hilo, those are just a few of the entities that are now coming to St. Thomas for the first time. It's hard to believe, for the first time. So also the government infrastructure in St. Thomas is moving over here as well. Straight ahead, that white building you're looking at is going to be the tax office and the PICA office and other government entities. That building on the right that has the green covering, tarpaulin, that's going to be the parish court. And you all know the Morant Bay Parish Court is where the Morant Bay Rebellion started. They're building a new facility with modern infrastructure. Those two locations at the top of the screen, one is going to be Burger King, the other one is going to be a Juicy Patties location. I'm not sure if Juicy Patties was in St. Thomas before, but this is new to Burger King. That building you're looking at on the left is going to be the new KFC building. And all these buildings here are occupied. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.